I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, today I have a wig review and it's gonna be this beautiful girl. I do have clips of me getting her together, but let's talk about who we're talking about. Okay. Today we have a wig that I have wanted for quite a while, and also a color that I have wanted for quite a while. This is a one from Estetica. These are their coffee colors, so they have like ice mocha, Americana, vanilla, macchiato, and there's one more I can't think of what it is, but they've been so hard to get your hands on, so I finally was able to get my hands on one. And this is in the style Reeves, and I have Reeves in the color Iced Mocha, and it says that it's their classic collection pure stretch cap wig. This is not a heat safe wig. It comes in this box right here, and I got this wig from Wigs.com. She was $220 and I got 30% off, so I paid $154.70. Let's talk about her. I absolutely love this wig. I love the wig, but I really love the color. This color is everything that I wanted it to be and probably more. It's just this sort of medium, it's more of like a medium number 4 brown, but it's, you know, got these sort of cool toned coffee colored highlights along with some really bright platinum pieces too. It just is so beautiful. This is all the hair to the front, so it's definitely a realistic density. This is a full cap wig, so there are no there's no lace, there's no combs, there are adjustable straps. This is a very large wig cap, so just keep that in mind. It is their sort of average cap, so if you need to check out, not all their wigs come in petite, but some of them do, so you'd want to check that out. She's very comfortable though. She has a bit of permatease, but it's actually not that much, and I think that it works in this particular style. She's probably about 16, 17 inches, so you can see even this sort of like hazelnut piece right here. The color mix is stunning. This is a sort of European Caucasian type texture. It is a silkier texture. Even though it's curly, there's not, you know, any texture, like there's no coarseness to this. Let's look at her from the back. Just like look at how gorgeous this is from the back. OMG. This would be the cutest to sort of do, you know, one like this, or even, you know, the ponytail. It's really pretty. I do kind of like the permatease that's right. It's just right in here. It gives it enough shape, and it gives those curls a little bit of a lift. Absolutely stunning. I have been reviewing name brand wigs a little bit more, and usually I get them either because someone has requested them or because there's a good sale on it, just because they are more expensive. But this was one of the ones that I actually wanted to try for myself, and I am glad that I did because she's stunning. She does have bendable ear tabs, and yeah, you can sort of mix up the part a little bit. I've already set this part, so I don't want to do that right now. If you wanted to, we could do a little bit of a baby hair situation and then do one of these with her quite easily. I would just need to sort of pull out some stuff, yeah, to frame the face and sort of cover up that harsh line from the full cap. But you could easily do something, you know, kind of like this and get away with that. Oh yeah. If you'd like to see a styling video using this wig, please let me know. I just think this is so pretty. It's funny because the product photos for this wig, it was hard for me to pull the trigger on getting this wig because the product photos, I just don't think it gave it justice 100%. So that was one of the things that I had to work on. So that is what I have for you for this review. I think this is just an easy style. I think it could be great for sort of everyday. It's light, so it could work in the summertime, and I'm really happy with this color. If you like these types of reviews, please go ahead and put a thumbs up. I will include my name brand wig playlist down below. If there's a wig from Estetica that you would like reviewed, check out that playlist. If it's not in there, go ahead and put that down below as a request. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and doing that right now and hit the bell. And if you have, thank you so much. You're my doll baby. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!